Arbitrum, ARB, price prediction 2023, will ARB hit $2 soon? Bullish ARB price prediction for 2023 is $1.6072 to $1.8217. Arbitrum, ARB, price might reach $2 soon. Bearish ARB price prediction for 2023 is $1.2449. In this Arbitrum, ARB, price prediction 2023, we will analyze the price patterns of ARB by using accurate trader-friendly technical analysis indicators and also predict the future movement of the cryptocurrency. Arbitrum, ARB, current market status. Current price $1.44. 24-hour trading volume 1,119,926,272. 24-hour price change 4.85% down. Circulating supply 1,275,000,000. All-time high $11.80 on March 23, 2023. What is Arbitrum, ARB? Arbitrum is a new Layer 2 scaling solution for the Ethereum blockchain developed by a New York-based company known as Off-Chain Labs. Layer 2 scaling solutions are networks which sit on top of Layer 1 blockchains to provide cheap and fast transactions. They reduce the congestion on the main blockchain by validating transactions separately and integrating them into the main chain. After its mainnet launch last year, Arbitrum's scaling solution has seen a lot of success. As a result of this, several developers have used Arbitrum's solutions to host their dApps. Arbitrum also supports integration with Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, making it easy for developers. Arbitrum, ARB, price prediction 2023. Arbitrum, ARB, ranks 35th on CoinMarketCap in terms of its market capitalization. The overview of the Arbitrum price prediction for 2023 is explained below with a daily time frame. In the above chart, Arbitrum, ARB, laid out a falling wedge pattern. In a falling wedge pattern, both the upper trend line which connects the highs and the lower trend line which connects the lows converge downwards. The wedge pattern in general indicates a trend reversal. Especially, the falling wedge signals a bullish reversal. If the trend breakout at the resistance level, the price will continue to move up in this ascending triangle pattern. At the time of analysis, the price of Arbitrum, ARB, was recorded at $1.4581. If the pattern trend continues, then the price of ARB might reach the resistance levels of $1.5365 and $1.8206. If the trend reverses, then the price of ARB may fall to the support of $1.3987 and $1.2449. Arbitrum, ARB, support and resistance levels. The chart given below elucidates the possible resistance and support levels of Arbitrum, ARB, in 2023. From the above daily time frame, we can clearly interpret the following as the resistance and support levels for Arbitrum, ARB. Resistance level 1.6072. Resistance level 1.8217. Support level 1.4050. Support level 1.2449. ARB resistance and support level. As per the above analysis, if Arbitrum's ARB bulls take the lead, then it might hit and break through its resistance level of $1.8217. Conversely, if Arbitrum's ARB bears dominate the trend, the price of ARB might plunge to $1.2449. We will tell you crypto-related news, including crypto signals, altcoin chart analysis, and Bitcoin and Ethereum analysis charts. If you like the video, then please like the video and leave a small comment. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe.